Hello, today I will be recording a video explaining comms level and how it works. So basically there's 4 components over here that makes the comms level work more than anything else. These 4 items are the wave spawner, the comms brain, the comms consoles, and the progress bar itself. Starting off with the wave spawner, it is quite simple. Basically it is a BP that you can put on the level itself, and then you can basically set whatever wave delay you want, right, which is a wave delay that you want between waves, and you can select the different BP enemy spawners that you will be using for the waves itself. Make sure to select the correct wait, I'll just showcase to you guys. Let me just search it here, that'll be better. So as you can see, wave spawn is right there. If you go here and you look at this, if you can see, this is all the different enemy spawners that are here. Basically these 3, this 1, 2, and this one right here. This is the 3rd one. So you just click on this eyedropper and select whichever enemy spawner you want. You can set the value of the enemy spawner within the thing itself. So let me just showcase that as well. So if we hover over any enemy spawner, you'll see that there's a timer amount, like how fast you want the enemies to spawn and the number of enemies you want to spawn. Similarly, there's also the list of enemies that you want to spawn. All that is the same. The wave spawner just like takes this data and like processes it and produces waves at different times based on events that happen. Okay, so that it basically has a function called spawn a wave, which will do everything for you, so you don't need to worry about it. You just need to call spawn a wave. Moving on to comms brain, this is where most of the magic for this level happens. It basically creates a progress bar widget at the start of the level itself and makes it invisible. This progress bar can later be made visible and invisible as required. And basically it is also checking if the wall is gone, which is important for the level to function. And once the wall is gone, all this will happen. For now, the wall is gone is not being used because this is just a boolean check, which is supposed to be used over here, but just for the debugging session, that's why it's not there right now. Moving on to comms consoles, these are the consoles of the level. I should probably explain the progress bar first. The progress bar is very simple. It just has one variable, which is the progress value, and this is something we'll be accessing in the code to basically change this value and make the progress bar go up. Comms console is where most of the things happen. It gets data from all these other resources. After that, it basically changes the over here it says remember change delay because this is for debugging. But this is the timer that your progress bar fills up. So we will get 1% of the progress bar every 0.25 seconds. So within 1 second, we'll get 4% of a bar. This is for the debug purposes, but this is how it would work. Other than that, that is majorly it. So you just need to put these things, and you need to make sure that you put the comms console right where you want the comms console to be. So if I just hover over comms consoles, you can see over here it has 2 variables that you can edit, which is what is the text that will appear when you're near this console, and what is the console number if you have more than one console and you want the progress bar to function on the basis of that. Now I will just showcase everything. It has loaded. As you can see, there's nothing here, nothing at all, and then you move on here and you click on start comm repair, and this first enemy spawns, which is our first wave. And as you can see on the bottom over there, I don't know if my face is covering it, but there's a progress bar that is being filled up. It has now filled up to 33%. Once it has filled up to 33%, you can go on here and activate this console. This will now go up till 66%. And as you can see, the consoles are basically being fixed. And a second enemy has spawned here because that's the second wave. And moving on, we go here, we fix the second console, and you'll see that the third enemy has spawned here because that is wave 3. But as soon as it completes, the thing will go away, and that is comms. Alright, that is all. I will stop the recording now.